As small business owners and online entrepreneurs, it's very easy for us to focus on the website. This is where we usually put all our energy. But did you know that that's only 20% of the business? The real business lies in the marketing. And this is why today I want to talk to you about video and why it's important. Well, did you know that Google is the largest search engine? Yeah, that's right. It's the largest search engine. And it is very, very difficult to start a new website or a blog and start ranking in the top 10 for pretty much anything right now, because there's a lot of companies out there that have dominated the top 10. And also some of the factors that allow you to rank in the top 10 results are things like backlinks. And these backlinks need to come from domains which are of high authority. So if you're a newcomer, it's going to be very hard for you to rank unless you have some sort of unique business or unique articles that pretty much have never been done before. Now, this leads me to the next part, which is video. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine? That's right. Sometimes when you go on Google and you search for certain topics, in the search results, you'll notice some videos. And this is where your opportunity is, because video is much, much easier to rank than ranking for text or articles. So if you're a small business owner, think about it. Let's say you're a plumber. If you do before and afters, or even just you working on the job itself, that goes a long way when it comes to letting your customers know what you do and also to like and trust you. Just the text alone on a website is not enough. Now, the question is, do you need a professional camera for you to do this? Well, the answer is no. You can get amazing content just from your mobile device, just from your iPhone. The iPhone that you use every day, or whatever Android you use every day, could be the tool that really showcases all your work. And the outlets for this are Shorts. You can also do Instagram Reels. You can also do Facebook. So all these areas here, they all do video. So this is your opportunity. If you're a cook, maybe your passion is in cooking or baking. If you make short videos or even long videos of you showing the process and all of that, that will put you really up there when it comes to competing with other service providers in your niche. So it's very, very important that you start embracing video right now. A lot of people are scared of it because they have to be on camera, just like how I am right now. And trust me, even me, having done probably over 1,000 videos now, it's not comfortable being on camera. I really have to think about it, psych myself up for me to come on camera. I don't really like being on camera, but the reason why I do it because it works. That's why I do it. It works. I've tried SEO and it's a pain. It doesn't work, even though I've been online for almost 10 years. So video seems to work. And with me now, the direction I took was, if it works, I just have to do it even if it's uncomfortable. So the approach that you have to take now is, there is no other way but to embrace video. Yes, I do understand if you can't be on camera, that's fine. You can always film that particular item that you're working on, or if it's in your field, just film the things that you need to showcase about your business, and pretty much you're good to go. Let's say you're a freelance designer. Why not show the process of you putting the websites together, the tools that you use, the results that show? What about testimonials? Record some testimonials from your clients. Pretty much any type of business can have video. I'm sure you can tell how passionate I am about this video idea. Yes, you really have to go into it. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait for the next big camera. Don't follow all these videos which talk about the latest Sony a7S III, the latest whatever cameras that you need that are coming out there. No, a phone will do the job. In fact, right now, I've started filming with my phone. Sometimes when I'm up and about, I'm showing my environment. I'm sure recently you've started seeing my videos where I'm showing my environment and where I am. Yes. This is all coming from a phone. Guys, you really need to start embracing video. And in my opinion, if you don't and you focus on your website, pretty much you are wasting a lot of time. You're now going to be frustrated and you're going to be left wondering why your business is not growing. So any field you can think of. In fact, leave me a comment in the video description below, and we can share some ideas of what sort of videos you can do for whatever industry it is. So mechanics, how about you show the process? The car comes in, you fix it all up, you speed up the video, and before you know it, the car is now running. Simple. Compare that to someone who has just a video of, oh, I'm a mechanic in this area. Big difference. Okay. And the other advantage we have is majority of the videos are being consumed on mobile devices. Now imagine this. Let's say someone is in the area, they're looking for a nice restaurant, and they're searching and they see a video compared to just seeing a website. Which one would you go for? Definitely the video one, because it's showing you more, especially if the food looks nice on the video and so on. And you don't even have to have a video course for this to do. Sometimes you can just record the video and embed a music track and pretty much you're done. So at this point, we're supposed to be releasing at least one piece of video a day. After a year, I mean, it's going to be a snowball effect. Of course, it's going to start very low. You're probably going to see 1 or 2 visitors here and there. But as this starts picking up, you're going to start seeing a lot of people now starting to realize these videos. And this is how they're going to end up coming to your website. So I really, really highly recommend that you start thinking about video and start implementing it on your business. And this could be an online business or even a brick and mortar. It doesn't really matter. But my point is video is very, very important. It's 80% of the success of your business, which is pretty much marketing. So 20% is the website, 80% is the marketing. And the marketing here is the video. So yeah, think about it. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Videos.